What is up, everybody? So we're gonna finally do the flip kit. Came in the mail. This is part of the flip kit. Where's the other part? Oh, my dad's gonna help me, by the way. Here's the U-bolts. Here's the plates. And the bump stops. And all the other stuff we need. Fabian's gonna help me too. You gonna help me? He's so excited. Boop. All right, we're gonna put new shackles on too to get more low. So these are the shackles right here. And we're gonna flip this one, put it in on the bottom. Do the same thing over there. All right, you guys. So it's recommendably if you guys took off the U-haul, if you guys have one. We already got the spring out. We had to take down the gas tank in order to take out the bolt that comes from here into the leaf spring. So the leaf spring's right here. Dang, it was a hassle, but it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna drop. Mira, aquí el padre más chingón del mundo me ayudó a bajar este lado, mira. Are you even low? Ahorita vamos a ver qué low quedó. So I got the 2-inch shackles, the 6-inch drop. So this is how it goes, basically. It goes in between the leaf spring and the differential. And then you put these little plates on top with the U-bolts. And just bolt it down and boom. You're low. Damn, va a quedar perrón a la way. The other side's gonna be way easier. This one we have to drop the gas tank, but that side's just gonna be boop, boop, boop. Vamos a ver. Es lo que pensamos, pues. Alright, you guys, so it's been a hassle, but look how low we're sitting.
Make sure everything is tight.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure everything's tight and everything, but check it out. It's finally low all the way. Damn, still hella low.
I say sit.
Go ahead. Shh, hold on.
Sit.
What's that?
Sit.
Sit.
El bump stock, ¿eh? Está pachurrando machín. Gotta take off that bump stock. Last thing.
Solo que lo dejemos así, le ponemos allá al otro.
Alright, you guys ready? You guys ready? Laying frame. Nah, not yet. My frame is hitting on the actual differential right here. So I have to get the C-notch. You guys can see right there. So I'm not all the way there yet. We ran into a problem. The shock in the front, you see that head right there? It came off. So there's no type of support right here. Yeah, soon to lay frame, you guys. Damn. I can't wait for my C-notch now.
Bravo, bravo.
Hella crazy how low it got. It got super low. Then I need to color match the front end. That don't look too bad though once the bed's back on. Alright, you guys, so besides that little problem on the shock in the front and the C-notch needing to be done, it's pretty low now. It's way low. I just need to clean it, polish her up. She's pretty dirty, look at it. But yeah, man, it's getting there, And then I'm gonna color match the front end. Like I told you guys, the project is not done. She's got a lot to go. She's getting there. Let me know what you guys think about her. Let me know. Alrighty, you guys, thank you very much. He's my sunny boy. So we just got off of work, that's why I'm still in my work clothes. But yeah, you guys, boom, boom, boom. Let me know how it came out. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna give you a quick overview of what went on with the flip kit on the back. So this is how it is, final results. Well, it still needs to lower a little bit, but not too much, just the frame is hitting on the differential. So let me show you. When we began, the leaf spring, as this one, was on top of here. You can see it's kind of rusted out right there. We put it on the bottom, but we had to put this plate right in between here these U brackets and then this plate on the bottom, which made it hit right here. So these aren't together. This is hitting the frame and the differential. So I had to cut my exhaust as well. And it doesn't sound louder. It's just, it sounds the same. But I need the C-notch. C-notch, what we'll do is cut right here in order for that to, the differential to fall in there. But yeah, you guys, that's a quick overview. It's way lower than it was. And then at the bottom, I got that little problem, but it's laying low. So thank you guys for everything, all the support, all the views, all the likes, everything, the comments. Let me know, because I kind of want to start another channel just for, you know, vlogs or for my family and stuff like that, because I want to post more content. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, peace, you guys.